Hi guys, my name is Elaine Hilton and today I'll be showing you how to use Premiere Pro. This tutorial will be based on the Premiere Pro Essential Skills textbook. This is a textbook that is available online at Van Skype. So the first thing that you're going to do is just open up the Premiere Pro app as follows. Guys, for the next part of this video I'm going to show you how to create a basic edit. In the case of this video I'm going to show you how to add a tint over your video, which you guys may have seen in the title sequence, the fading purple color. The first thing that you need to do before you start editing is make sure that the video that we are going to edit today is in fact in your timeline, as seen here at the bottom. If it is not inserted already, just go to your project panel over here and just choose the video that we're going to edit today, which is this little bubble video over here. If it is not inserted, all you're going to do is just click and drag it onto your timeline. This will insert the video. The next thing you're going to do is go to the top panel over here, search for the effects option, which is this little blue highlighted option over here. Then you're going to double click. This will open up an effect panel to the right of your screen and you will see various options over here. What you're going to be looking for today is video effects, a little option over here, the highlighted option over here, and then just click on the little drop down arrow. This will display more options. The option that you will be looking for today is color correction, the highlighted one over here. Again, just hit the drop down arrow and then more options will be displayed. The one that we're going to be using today is obviously tint, as I have previously said. To add any effects or transitions or audio for audio or video, the way you do that is to just select the option that we're going to be using, so like the tint, you'd click and you drag it on to the video at the bottom and then just release. This will add this will add the effect that we're going to be using. To see if the effect has been added, you will see that a little purple box over here called FX has appeared on the video. This is how you know that the effect has been added. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to edit or change the settings for this to our desired liking. To do so, you will go to your source panel. If the control effects panel has not appeared, just click these two little right arrows and click on the effects control. But do make sure that your video is selected, or otherwise this option will not work. Once your video is selected and your effects control panel is open, what you're going to do is just scroll down to the bottom where it says FX tint. This is where we find the following settings to change on to change the coloring of the video, as well as the amount of color you're going to be adding. For today, we are going to add a light blue tint to the video. To do so, what you're going to do is go to this option over here that says Map White to, and you're going to click on the white block. Just click once, and all you're going to do is scroll down until you find suitable blue. Try and find a light-ish blue. If you would like, you could use a darker blue, but for today I'm just going to use this light blue. Once I'm satisfied with the color, I will just click OK. You will then immediately see a change on your video. In the program box over here, it has now become entirely blue. To lighten this effect, what you are going to do is go to amount of tint in your source panel over here. It is currently at 100%. We are going to now take this down to 30% to minimize the effect. Just click and type in 30 and say enter. You will then immediately see the change again. It has now created a subtle blue tint over the entirety of the video. Alright guys, next part of this video I'm going to show you how to use the project manager setting. This is a setting used to compile a file full of all the assets as well as your final video. This just makes it easier for someone to view your work on a different device without any links or videos being missing. To do so, what you're going to do is go to this top panel over here, look for the setting that says File, Then click it and go all the way to the bottom where it says Project Manager. You will then select this. Settings panel will pop up over here. The first setting or option that it asks you is, or displays to you, is this sequence over here. This is where you will find all the videos that you have used in your clip to create the final video, or all the clips to create your final video. For today we only used one clip, so only one clip is present, but if in future you do use more clips, more clips will be present. Just make sure that all the clips that you have used are selected. If it is not selected, it would look like this. This will mean that the clip will not be inserted into file, so just again make sure that it is selected. And then at the bottom or in the middle of the box or the settings panel, you will see an option here that says destination path. This is where you choose where the file will end up on your PC. What you're going to do is click the option here that says browse. For today I'm just going to save it onto my desktop and say select folder. This will now move the entire file to my desktop, and then the rest of the settings you can leave as defaults, as it will not affect the overall package, and then just say OK. If an option like this pops up, just say yes. It's just asking you to save it in a different location to where you previously may have saved it. That's how you project manage a file from a Premiere Pro. And for the last part of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to export a sequence. This is what you do at the end of the video once you are happy with your final edits. What you're going to do is go to the top panel over here, find the setting or the option that says File. Scroll down until you see the setting that says Export, and then go to Media. A shortcut would be to click Control M or Command M if you're using Mac. This setting panel over here, this is where you change the various settings according to how you would like to save your video. For today I'm going to show you how to export it for YouTube purposes. The first thing that you're going to do is go to the panel of it on the right that says Export Settings. You're going to first change the format. Over here, the required format for YouTube is H.264. The next setting that you're going to change is this one, the option over here that says Present. Just going to scroll down all the way to down to the bottom where you see the various YouTube formats. For today I'm going to save it as YouTube 1080p HD. Just click on that. It has now converted the video to a YouTube option. The next thing you can do is save the video or rename the video to your preference. What you're going to do is go to Output Name, double click on the blue writing, and then save it to where you would like it to be saved on your desktop, as well as rename it. For today I'm just going to name it Bubble, and then just say save. The thing you're going to do is make sure none of these boxes at the bottom are ticked. The rest of the settings you can use as leave as default, and it will not affect the overall video or the saving of the video. And then lastly, all you have to do is click export. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Again, please just like and subscribe, and do not be afraid to ask any questions or ask for follow-up videos in the comments below.